Hey, what's up, you all? It's your girl Janelle again, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be demonstrating how to achieve this gorgeous wig install. This wig is from Yolova Hair, and they sent me this gorgeous wig to show you all. So I'm going to be demonstrating how to install it. If you want to see that, just go ahead and continue watching. So the first thing I'm doing is hot combing the top of the hair. What I'm going to be using as the hair product is my wax stick. As you can see, I'm using the shine spray, a holding spray, and my wax stick. Here are the items that came included with my package. Okay, please ignore how this cap look on my head. The point was to get the wig on, so yeah. Also apply makeup to the inside to better match my skin tone. So I went ahead and applied 3 layers of glue so that it can last longer. Okay, so here I'm trying to decide if I wanted to wear curly or straight, and I decided to go ahead and curl it all, so that's what I was doing right here. So this is the end of this video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching me create this style. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that you'll always see when it is I am uploading. Also, feel free to use my discount code so you go ahead and check out some of these wigs and get you a sale. But I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye, love.